Now let's see what our next contender for the live pitch has to say.
Absolutely. We are calling now Mukesh Agarwal, CEO Revex, to show us what he's got within his company. He's got 2 minutes. Let's take a look at the background of the company.
Everyone thought that they can build a large business by just pouring in more money. If all you have to do and offer the end customer is a discount, they have to really focus on that core value proposition. And that is essentially what we are doing here at Revex. We are focusing on building a very robust technology stack that will work under every circumstance and actually solve for end goals of the consumer in the long run in an ecosystem which is developing very quickly. So each time you actually click an ad of a shirt or a dress that you were eyeing on a website a while earlier or an app a while earlier, and you click that ad that takes you back to that website or app, remember that action is powered by us. We are Revex.
All right, and taking us through right now with his pitch is going to be Mukesh Agarwal. Let's welcome him. Mukesh. All right, Mukesh, now remember the rules again. 2 minutes, 4 categories to go through, 4 jury members all set for you.
When those lights turn red, that means you have to stop.
All right.
So your time starts now.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mukesh Agarwal. I'm a CEO of Revex. How many of you like ads? Raise your hand if you like ads. Nobody likes ads. Or only 1 out of 1,000 people interact with the ad online. Now think about if you are thinking of buying a cell phone or buying a television, and you open a Sunday morning newspaper and you see an ad of the product which you're looking to buy. You can't do that offline, but Revex is making that happen online. So we provide a platform to the e-commerce companies where they can engage with each and every one of their consumers on a one-to-one basis. That means they can personalize the interaction based on the data and the prediction we do in terms of what the consumer is going to buy. So from the e-commerce perspective, our platform enables them to spend the marketing dollars wisely. And from the consumer perspective, who are constantly bombarded with the ads or marketing, you get to see the ads which are relevant and useful to you. We are a 30-people company, and we are the engineers, technologists from Microsoft, Amazon, Yahoo, Wharton. Currently, we are operating in about 12 countries. We are in India, Southeast Asia, and Middle East. And we work with 30-plus large to mid-size e-commerce companies to power their marketing. We have been in the space for the last 4 years. The platform has been built for the last 4 years. And we've been in the market for the last 2 years. And more recently, we launched our platform in the US as well. We work with some of the largest retailers in the US, like Walmart. So, in a nutshell, we are really solving the problem of, advertising which is really boring, really bad, and making it personal, so it's impactful for the users.
That then is time.
Jury, any questions?
Okay, Deep.
Yeah, I think it's a very cool technology, but I do think there's a big risk in B2B. And it's a global play, but how are you going to compete with other global players who obviously are eyeing this humongous market, mobile ads?
Yeah, so, we get asked about how do you compete with Google or Facebook. Google and Facebook owns like 80% of the ad market. And we are not really competing with them. What we are doing is we are really taking a slice of what they are doing and adding some topping on top of it, adding some cherry on top of it. So we cooperate with Google and Facebook, and we add some additional value in a part of the business where we believe that's not strategic for them. So we are really not competing with them and adding value to them through partnership.
So Mukesh, to build on what you're adding value to Google, and you are doing marketing for all those nice little companies, how do you market yourself? What is your go-to-market strategy?
Well, we are a typical enterprise class platform. So we have to have salespeople who go out in the market and talk to e-commerce. We are not a B2C platform or a small size or SMB platform. Our marketing is typically, standard biz dev, where our salespeople go out, and our sales cycles are, 4 to 5 months sales cycle. But once we onboard the customer, they stay with us, and our customer ticket size are pretty big. We don't work with the smaller customer size. We work with the customer size who are willing to spend about $100,000 per month on marketing.
All right, great. Once again, very well presented. Thank you so much.